June has been a strong and varied month at Atlantis Marine, with operations progressing both in the workshop and offshore. Several systems have returned from international deployment, including Equatorial Guinea, Malaysia, and major UK wind farms. Each one has been thoroughly serviced, reconfigured, and prepared for redeployment. A brand new system from Ocean Modules also arrived this month. It's now fully integrated with our control systems and moving through to wet testing ahead of entering service. Our offshore teams continue to deliver in complex environments. In Malaysia, engineers are supporting an expanded campaign, now spanning audits, vessel supports, and subsea inspection. In Taiwan, operators have worked through difficult weather conditions to maintain deployment readiness within narrow operating windows. And here in the UK, our inspection teams recently completed a detailed substation survey under low visibility conditions and tight access constraints. A productive month and a clear demonstration of the professionalism, adaptability, and resilience of our team. Follow Atlantis Marine for more updates from the field, in the workshop, and below the surface.